My people, I don't come again. Oh. My name na Ola Onikpekun Ogunje, where they represent Gigatech International Limited. We dey Evbuorhiarhia quarter now. Now here we come out this 5 kVA inverter. This system has a outdoor battery bank system and also have a timer for the two refrigerators, which come up 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. in the afternoon, and it switch off, and also come up at in the night 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. So it's a new design. As you can see, that is the timer. So let me show you the outdoor backing system. This is the battery bank system. You can observe that we cover it with a waterproof plyboard to prevent rain, and it's a 4 battery inside, 38 volts. So you can also see we have another control system for the back flat. So this one is just to power the light in the back flat. So our number is still on the screen. So subscribe to our YouTube and our Facebook. Let me show you the back flat. You see the surrounding light, they are on. The surrounding light, they are on. All the lights, as you can see. I'm taking you to the last flat. This is the power of solar. This is the power of solar. The lights are on. So call us when you pay, we deliver.